Okay, so I had to take a few weeks off of work here. I didn't have to. I needed to go and visit my family, the other side of the country. So I took a few weeks off of the construction. Now I'm back. So while I was gone, if you remember last time, I had done my initial electrical, gotten it started, and had done the initial wiring. So while I was gone, the inspector came out, checked everything out. I passed inspection. I passed initial inspection. There was a caveat, and the caveat was I need to install exterior lighting above the man doors. Waiting for the lights to show up. I haven't installed those yet. Once they get here, I'll install them. And secondly, I had neglected to put in ground fault circuit interrupter on these legs. So he kind of dinged me on that, but he's like, you pass, just get those installed. So I've installed the one here and the one over on that leg as well. And that protects that circuit. That one protects that circuit. This is all ready to go. All my light switches are in place. And these are all two-way switches with the circuits marked clearly what each circuit is for. Exterior, northern, center, southern lights. It's all interior and exterior lighting, and then the other switches are over there. And basically I'm in the kind of the final stages of putting covers on. And then once the interior lights have been ordered, we'll install those. Power isn't on yet. I'm still waiting for my electrical provider to come out here. And it's not that they've been lazy or anything. It's just, I was gone for 3 weeks. I just got back. So hopefully they'll come out next week and we'll hook us up, put an actual feed supply in, and we'll have electricity, and then I'll have power out here, which means then I can use power tools to finish the build. So that's current status. Thanks for watching.